LAN monitoring. Before we start, I want to give you a slight clarification. This is a network utilizations, right, based on SNMP requests sent by DCNM every n seconds across all nodes, all interfaces, right? This is not the hardware streaming telemetry for the flow analysis managed by a tool like Nexus Insight, right? So this is different, right? This is what is embedded with DCNM. Monitor LAN offers the performance information for Ethernet links, right? And you can get this directly from the DCNM user interface. So you get the history for each Ethernet interfaces with a graph or using a tabular view. You can export, you can print the stats, the performance history directly from DCNM if you wish. And you get the flexibility to work across the timeline. You can zoom in and zoom out. Let's see with the next video what Monitor LAN brings for the daily operations, including a certain level of troubleshooting. From the Monitor tab, go to the LAN section and select Ethernet. You can visualize all active interfaces from your fabric or here across the whole multi-site domain. You can filter to retrieve the interfaces you wish to monitor. For example, add 1/18 for the interface number, select the interface of interest, and click on the sign that represents a graph. You get immediately the network utilization for the last 24 hours with two distinct graph lines, one for the received data and the second for the transmit data. You can display a chart view or a tabular view or both. You can work across the timeline and get the network utilization for each record. The polling is defined by the performance setup for the LAN connections, which is by default every 5 minutes. You can change the scale of the timeline. For example, select 1 month. In the timeline, in this example, you can visualize immediately a peak during a short period of time. Hence, you can zoom for the Windows time of interest and you can get the utilization details. You can use the zoom in or zoom out as you wish. You can monitor the uplinks between the nodes. Same display and options as for the Ethernet monitoring. You can export the performance report. You can perform a specific performance analysis for the virtual port channels. So that gives you an overview of the performance LANs that are embedded with DCNM. Again, to clarify, the flow analysis is available with the Nexus Insight. Okay, the next sections covers the alarm and notifications. Thank you.